Hello and welcome to Winston AI, the world's leading AI content detection system. In this tutorial video, we're going to walk you through Winston AI's AI content detection and plagiarism tools. So let's get started now. So when you log into Winston AI, you will have this screen here. And the first thing you want to do is just start a new scan. You can also choose quick scan here, but for now, let's start a new scan. You have two options here. You have a text scan. This is where you copy and paste in your text, or you can upload a file. So now I will give the document a title so I can remember for later. And I'll call this Winston Churchill, and the document author is me, that's Connor. And now all I have to do is paste in a text that I want to see if it's AI written or human written. So you will need to check that your text is longer than 500 characters so the tool can work correctly. And you can check this down at the bottom here. We have 2070 characters, 351 words. And this here tells you the amount of credits that you will use for this scan. So it will be 351 credits. And over here, we have two buttons. We can check the AI content detection scan, which costs 1 credit per word per scan, and our plagiarism detector, which costs 2 credits per word per scan. Let's turn this on and scan our text. Let's look now at the results of our scan. So here we got a 66% human score. So it shows that the text is most likely written by humans. We also have 42 occurrences of plagiarism in the text. Okay, so that's quite obvious because this text was taken from Wikipedia. We have a readability score here of 47 out of 100. Okay, that just tells you how easy it is to read the text. And down here, we have an AI prediction map. So this tool will tell you which parts of the text the algorithm thinks is human written and which parts are more likely to be written by AI. So as you can see here from our text, it's mostly in green. That means that it's unlikely that it was written by AI. Okay, that's good, right? Because we know this is human written. And the yellow parts is not really 100% sure. We also have our plagiarism results here, so we can see here that the text came from Wikipedia. And finally, you can generate a report here to create a PDF so you can easily share your report with whoever needs to see this document. So this time, let's try it with an AI written text. So this time I just asked ChatGPT to write me an essay about Winston Churchill. So there, let's copy it in here and we'll give it the title again, Winston by ChatGPT. Okay, so again, we have our details down here, how many credits we need to use, and if we want plagiarism or by AI, let's check again if there's plagiarism and AI, and we'll scan the text. And as you can see here, this time we got a score of 0%. So Winston has correctly detected that it's 0% human. Okay, of course, this was written by AI. It also found some plagiarism in the text. And as you can see, the red here is likely AI generated. So we can see the start here. It is sure that it was written by AI. And then there's other parts where I think it's human. But overall, you can see that it is likely created by AI. So if you do want to upload a file, then you just need to click here on File Upload. Okay, the accepted file types are docx, so it's kind of like the Word document, JPGs, and PNGs. Okay, these are images. So if it is an image, we will use our OCR technology, which reads the text through the image, and then that text will be decided whether it is AI written or human written. The next section that we will look at is the projects section. So this is basically a history of everything that you have scanned. So there are 3 dots here. You can choose to rename the document, Winston ChatGPT. Okay, and now our document is called Winston. You can also save it as a favorite. Okay, so if this is the most important one to you that you want to come back to, then you can save it as a favorite. You can, of course, go into each document and see what was scanned and the results. There are also more features up here in the top corner, like this button here, so you can sort it by the date it was created, or you can sort it in alphabetical order by the title, or put your favorites first. This button here just makes it go in ascending or descending order, so if it's sorted in alphabetical order, it either starts with A or it starts with Z. And these 2 buttons here just make it into a grid form or else in a table form so you can scan easily. Next, let's look at the Documents tab here on the left. As you can see, it looks quite similar to the Projects tab. Each card shows the title, the author, a short text excerpt from the text, and the project which it is part of. Again, you can rename it or delete the document. You can favorite your different documents and do the same things that you can do in the Projects tab. By clicking on the card here, you will go towards the parent project. And if you want to see the results, you just need to go back to the results. Next, let's look at the integrations that we can use with Winston AI. So you can see here our Chrome extension here, our Zapier integration, and coming soon in Blackboard and Google Classroom. Next, let's log into the account section. So here we can select our photo if we want to change our photo. We can change our information, our name, etc. The AI detection model. So we always want to keep this at the latest one here. We can change our password. We can enable two-factor authentication if you want some extra security on your account. And you could also connect your accounts to Google and to Facebook. That just makes it easier to log in. You can also log out of other browser sessions that might be from different devices that you are using Winston AI, and you could even delete your account here. For paying members, the billing section is where you can see all the information about how much you need to pay. So here you can see the amounts that you need to pay per month. I am on a yearly plan here, so I'm on the yearly elite plan. So if I want to update the plan or cancel the plan, and you can see when my plan renews. Free users will see a plan section where they can upgrade to a suitable plan. For more options, click on your name here below, and you have more things that you can do. So let's look at the team settings one now. So we can have a team owner, which is me. Let's call it Connor's team. We're happy with that. And we can also add it in a team member. So this way you can share credits with other teachers or other publishers that you might need to share your credits with. This is only available on the elite and the advanced plans. And all I need to do is write the person's email in here and give them a role. So an administrator can perform any action. A billing person has the ability to view and edit the billing information, and a member has no administrative abilities. And the last thing in this section is the usage. So this will tell us how much credits we have used. So you can see today I've used 2,380 credits. And we can change the month here if we want to show before December and how many credits we are using every day. You can also see your monthly credits here, how many credits you have left on your monthly plan, and your top-up credits. So top-up credits are a great way to just purchase some credits if you just need some quick scans to do, and you can purchase them on the left here. So if you have any further questions, you can always click on the help button here, and this will bring you to our knowledge base where we answered lots of questions and frequently asked questions. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed learning about Winston AI with me. Happy scanning.